Team, this is Unit 6, Lesson 5. We're going to represent and read a 3-digit number in expanded form by identifying the value of each digit. Our skill today, we're shifting from T-TEDs to skills, and this is the one thing a child walks away able to do. They can write a number in expanded form to show the value of each digit in the hundreds, tens, and ones place. That's it. So every single child in your class must be able to do this. Or thinking questions we want kids using. How many hundreds, tens, or ones are in the number? How do I know? And how can I represent this number in expanded form? Why? And here is the deal. When you look at the work that I did here, and I should have left this one to show, the first thing I'm doing is I'm always shifting unit form, word form, this is standard form, but they call it something weird, into standard form first before I shift to the next form. So this is when we're talking about what is the exemplar work, how do I demand it, and then how do I insist on it, and then ask children to correct it when they don't do it. This is the kind of work that we want to push kids to be able to flexibly think. This number is equivalent to this number, equivalent to this number. That equivalency is where we go with all the different forms. And it's similar to being able to say that 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 3 is 4, that flexibility of thinking, or I can represent in different forms and they all have the same value. So I always shift into that form first. So when you get kids over here, this forces them to do it, but what's weird is that it doesn't force them to do it previously. This is just go to standard form, and I know I talked to you guys about this on Friday, but it is imperative that they recognize that the crux of everything they're doing is being able to write and express a number based on the value of each digit. 9 ones, 6 tens, 2 hundreds, and that's equal to 9, that's equal to 6 tens is 60, 2 hundreds is 200, and that's how I then recognize that that's the value of that digit. Great.